So I put a full exhaust on the second gen Cummins a few months ago. It's a 4-inch MBRP exhaust, and it goes all the way from the turbo all the way back to the tailpipe. I really like it, but one thing that has been bothering me for a long time is that it doesn't have an exhaust tip. So today we're going to be installing this exhaust tip. Hopefully it makes the truck look a little bit better. It's a 4-inch to 7-inch, so it's pretty big, 18 inches long, and I think it's going to look really good. Oh, and in case you guys were wondering, I got this exhaust tip off of Amazon. It was a really good deal. It was only like 40 bucks on Prime. I'll definitely put the link in the description for it below. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to try to kind of hold it up and see where I want it, and then I'll mark it with a Sharpie so I can figure out where I'm going to cut it. I think I want it to come out at a little bit of a different angle than this. I like it to come out a little bit more angled, so I'm going to try to cut it in a way that that's accomplished. So as you can see, the stock exhaust kind of comes out at an angle like this, and I want to move it more so it's like this, so I'm going to try to cut it a little bit farther up. Okay, so got that piece cut off. A very nice 4-inch custom cut exhaust piece right here. If anybody wants it, hit me up. 75 bucks, it's all yours. I'll even ship it to you. I'm just playing with you. Bad jokes. But anyways, so the cut turned out pretty good. Basically, when you're cutting an exhaust for an exhaust tip, you want to make sure that you make the cut really straight, and that you don't bend the pipe at all. Otherwise the exhaust tip will have trouble sliding over it. So I'll grab the exhaust tip and we'll see how it goes. So the exhaust tip kind of rubs on the corner panel, so what I'm going to have to do is loosen up the bracket on the tailpipe and then move it down a little bit so it'll be able to clear the corner panel. It's like almost there. Okay, so this is kind of being a huge pain to get it on there. So what we're gonna do is just try to bend it out just a little bit. Hopefully it slides on there a little easier because it's being a huge pain. Okay, round two. Okay guys, what a struggle that was, but we finally got it on. I think it looks awesome. Alright, there it is guys. Still need to tighten everything up, but I think it turned out really good. I really like how it kind of angles out like that. It was much needed. I'm not sure how I feel about the size of it, to be honest. I hope that it grows on me, because I'm thinking maybe I should have got a 6-inch one. 7-inch was maybe a little too much. I can't believe people run 8-inch ones. That's just giant. But anyways, let me know what you think in the comments. You think I should get a different sized one? Smaller? Bigger? An axle dump maybe? I love axle dumps. So yeah, tighten everything up and see how it sounds. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and please like it. I think it turned out really good. Again, I'll put that exhaust tip and the link in the description if you want to pick it up for your truck. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.